would you like to advise to your friends or your junior kids, means like junior class students, that why it is important?
Yes, I would like to tell them that you should, to understand the chapter better, you should summarize the chapter. Like it helps to understand the chapter more. As if you have like only read the question answer, but in the exam the same question answer don't come. So, but if you have summarized the chapter, you can attempt any question that will come from the chapter. So
Okay,
I think
that's
it is
nice.
important and good for them.
Yes, that's nice idea. So I think you want to advise also to juniors. Sometimes they are very haphazard that madam book, inside the book the questions will come and how can we prepare like that. I think it will be very helpful,
Yes,
right?
ma'am, if you summarize the
Okay.
chapter.
So is it important that you are thinking?
Yes, from my perspective, it is important.
Okay. So today would you like to summarize anything that
Yes, ma'am. The book from my English literature book,
Okay.
and from the Unit 6 fiction. The name of the chapter is Virtually True.
okay.
The writer of the chapter is Paul Seward,
Okay.
and in this chapter there is about a boy Sebastian. Actually, he was in the coma, but suddenly he wake up from the coma. But the protagonist of the chapter, like who is reading the news article that Sebastian has wake up from the miracle story and he has wake up from the coma. Then he miracle, and he read from the article that he have woke up and it is a really good miracle. So he like remember that he used to have an online friend. He used to play with games, and he also looked at the picture and he was sure that he is that his friend. So like after looking at the article, he remembered that the old days they used to play together. They remember that his father was so much fond of computer games. So like in the vacation, his father brought so many mechanical gadgets of computer and so many things to play games. So from one of them, he also started to playing so many games. Like one day he went to a computer fair with his father. Then he entered a game to start playing, and that game was so good. And suddenly a boy came and he introduced himself, like who was he, and started to tell like save me, run, run. So like he was saving basically. So like after sometimes they failed the game was over, and he was like surprised that who was that boy. He was like confused, like who was that boy. Like after some time, a paper from the printer came out that telling that I'm Sebastian, save me. And again he told that you should enter a game, Dragon Quest.
Okay.
Dragon Quest. First they played another game. Now they are playing. First they played Wild Quest. Now he's telling to play him Dragon Quest. So in the Dragon Quest, when he entered, he saw there is a princess. You have to save them. You have to save her from the dragon. But like when he entered, he heard another canine like calling for help. So like when he go to near, then he see that Sebastian was there. So like he wanted to rescue him, but he also failed in that game also.
Very interesting, right?
He also failed in that game also. Like after some time, he also get a like game request to play this Jailbreak. He also played that game, but at a point he also like win the game, but Sebastian will disappear. Disappear. So like
Okay.
he also had to think that probably the Sebastian memories were there in the game. So like after being coma, he was still there. Actually, Sebastian was coma because of a huge accident. He was in coma. Like after he was remembering his old memories, then suddenly he checked his email, and he saw literally an amazing thing that Sebastian has sent him an email as he has woke up. So he sent him a mail that we should meet, and I am so much thankful. I don't know, but you saved my life. So he was so much happy and confused. Like this is old friend Sebastian is like that is the story.
Arey wow, very nice story and interesting. Even I am also feeling very happy that really anyone will listen this story. Means any summarize means one kind of story. So if explanation will be there, then definitely any student can attend any kind of questions, right? Okay, really you inspired a lot to everyone. Thank you very much, Harshita.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay.